Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Heat Press Nation, and today I'll be demonstrating how to use the brand new Siser Easy Glow to create glow-in-the-dark designs for your projects. Siser Easy Glow is great when attending an event with dynamic LED lighting because the design will change colors in sync with the flashing lights, instantly turning you into the center of attention and the life of the party. Now here are all the tools you'll need. A vinyl cutter. Today we'll be using the Siser Juliet. Rolls of Easy Glow HTV. A weeding tool. A pair of scissors, parchment paper or non-stick sheet, any garment to apply your transfer to, and a heat press. This is the HPN Signature Series 15 by 15. Now before we begin, let's hit the lights. Begin by creating your artwork on a design software like Adobe Illustrator or any other similar program of choice. For this design specifically, we'll be using Spiral Betty. This website is free for personal use and allows you to spiralize and download your images. Import your design into Leonardo Creative Studio to adjust the sizing. Once the design is ready, mirror it and select Auto Weed Box. Load your Easy Glow into your vinyl cutter while ensuring the shiny side is down. Select the appropriate settings for cutting Easy Glow and let the machine work its magic. After cutting, carefully remove the excess vinyl around your design using a weeding tool. Take your time and be very gentle to avoid damaging the design. Next, set your heat press to the recommended time, temperature, and pressure settings. For Easy Glow, it is usually around 305 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 seconds at medium pressure. Start pressing your artwork layer by layer, starting with the base that will help you align the rest. Press each layer individually for 5 seconds, then cover the whole thing with parchment paper and press down for the entirety of the 15 seconds. Allow the applied design to cool off for a few seconds or until it's safe to touch. Carefully peel off the carrier sheet and your design should now be permanently adhered to the fabric. Charge your newly created design under direct light for a few minutes to activate the glow effect. Then step into a dark room and watch your design come to life with a stunning glow. Lights. There we go. There you have it, guys. A simple and fun way to use Siser Easy Glow to add some luminous flair to your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Lastly, if you are interested in any of the materials used in this video, they'll all be linked in the description below. That's all from me today, and I'll see you all in the next video.